Teaching and learning through the Peppa Pig series, exploring grammar and multimodal pedagogical activities. Teaching and learning Arabic presents unique challenges and opportunities, especially when teaching non-native speakers. Arabic, a language of extraordinary morphological and lexical richness, requires a teaching approach that balances scientific rigor with effective and motivating learning strategies. On the one hand, there is a need to acquire technical tools such as transcription, transliteration, and vocalization, which are essential for correctly decoding texts. On the other hand, there is a need to introduce teaching activities that facilitate comprehension and memorization through accessible and stimulating contexts. In this context, audiovisual products aimed at children, such as the Peppa Pig series, offer a privileged laboratory for educational experimentation. Children's language, characterized by short sentences, simple structures, concrete vocabulary, and recursion, lends itself to being used as a tool for learning a complex language such as Arabic. The association between image and word, the intentional repetition of expressions, and the immediate link between linguistic sign and visual referent make acquisition more natural, inclusive, and motivating, promoting multimodal learning. This research, based on an in-depth linguistic analysis that includes the transcription and transliteration of dialogues from Peppa Pig, aims to highlight the pedagogical value of such practices. The aim is not only to observe the functioning of the Arabic language in its morphological and syntactic structures, but also to assess how activities such as translation, vocalization, and interpretation of audiovisual language can be transformed into effective teaching tools. Particular attention was devoted to didactic experimentation, the guided viewing of episodes, the use of repetition, and the study of gestures within nonverbal communication were employed as means to stimulate not only explicit comprehension, but also inferential thinking and implicit understanding. In this way, the learner did not merely memorize linguistic structures, but also learned to deduce, connect, and internalize, thus building meaningful learning. In summary, the thesis demonstrated that the study of Arabic, while maintaining a scientific and rigorous approach to the language, can be enriched by innovative teaching strategies capable of making use of the audiovisual materials, translation techniques, and linguistic analysis tools. The meeting point between the linguistic and pedagogical dimensions, thus outlined an integrated learning path, able to enhance the didactic potential of the Arabic language, making its study more accessible and effective.